In this video, I'm going to answer the question, does the Cash App glitch still happen? This is a question I get asked a lot, and today we're going to go over the full story behind the glitch, what actually happened, and whether it's something people can still take advantage of. I'll break everything down step by step so you understand exactly what went on, why it became such a big deal, and what the risks are if you try it today. So, what exactly was the Cash App glitch? Originally, Cash App experienced a small technical issue where some users were being charged twice for transactions. This kind of problem happens from time to time with apps, and it's usually a quick fix. Users would get upset, Cash App would address the issue, and things would return to normal. But after this fix, people noticed that by entering any number into the app, they could supposedly deposit those funds into their bank account without actually having that money. Some people tried large amounts, like 30,000. Others tried smaller amounts, but the idea was that the app would allow you to withdraw more money than you actually had. Naturally, this glitch caught on very quickly. People started sharing it online, and a lot of users began attempting it, hoping to make quick money. At first, it looked like it was working for some people. But the truth is, Cash App is a multi-billion-dollar company with advanced security systems. Anyone who tried to withdraw money they didn't have was eventually caught. The app would automatically charge the amount back and place the user into debt. Cash App's terms of service are very clear about this. If you misuse the app and fail to repay money withdrawn incorrectly, they can freeze your account, withhold your funds, and pursue legal action. This isn't a minor consequence. People who tried the glitch and spent the money could face serious financial and legal trouble. Now, does this glitch still happen? For the vast majority of users, the answer is no. Cash App has fixed the systems that allowed this to happen, and anyone attempting it now would be immediately flagged and put into debt. While a few people may just be discovering it, attempting to exploit it is extremely risky. The safest approach is to stay away entirely. If you've ever used this glitch and still have the funds in your account, do not spend it. The right thing to do is contact Cash App support to return the money and avoid further consequences. Ignoring it could result in frozen funds, debt collection, or even legal action. So, the bottom line is that the Cash App glitch is over. It's not safe, it's not a shortcut to get free money, and trying it today could ruin your finances or even get you sued. The best course of action is to always use the app legitimately, follow the official rules, and never attempt to exploit any loopholes. Cash App users who respect the system are the only ones who stay safe, while anyone trying to take advantage of glitches risks serious trouble.